Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the best long-distance friend frame by Hendson. A perfect gift for celebrating friendships whether you're side by side or miles apart. This charming picture frame measures 11.7 inches in length and 7.7 inches in width, crafted from stained wood with a distressed finish that gives it a rustic, artistic touch. Its rectangular shape and freestanding design make it versatile for both wall mounting or tabletop display. The frame features an easel back, allowing you to easily set it up on desks, shelves, or any flat surface, making it a beautiful way to keep your cherished memories close by. Designed specifically for friendships that span distance, this frame holds a 6x4-inch photo, creating a heartfelt reminder that no matter how far apart you are, your bond remains strong. The frame is adorned with a sentimental quote about friendship, adding emotional value and making it more than just a picture holder. It's a keepsake that speaks to the connection between best friends. Perfect for birthdays, graduations, or any occasion when you want to send a meaningful gift, this frame is an elegant yet budget-friendly option. Its rustic stained wood finish complements a variety of decor styles, making it suitable for any room, whether it's a cozy bedroom or a study area. Hendson, the brand behind this frame, is known for creating gifts that celebrate relationships and memorable moments. Proudly designed in the USA, this frame embodies their mission to make everyday moments more meaningful and fun. The frame is lightweight, weighing just about 1 pound, making it easy to handle and ship. It also comes packaged with care, ideal for gift giving without any extra hassle. The craftsmanship ensures durability, so your friendship memories can be preserved beautifully for years to come. If you're searching for a gift that expresses the importance of friendship, especially for friends who might be far away, this frame stands out as a thoughtful and timeless choice. It's more than just a frame, it's a symbol of connection and love, bridging the gap between distances with a personal touch. That wraps up our look at the best long-distance friend frame by Hendson. If you want to celebrate your friendship with something special, this frame is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.